In Lebanese Arabic, as well as in classical Arabic or any other Arabic dialect, we have words in the singular and in the plural, just like in any other language. But in Arabic, plural words can be both regular and irregular. Now, if you're new to learning Arabic, whether it's classical Arabic or any other dialect or Lebanese Arabic, I really recommend that from the start, you always memorize your new words, both in the singular form and in the plural form. Like that, you would be making your life easier and you would be avoiding guessing whether the plural will be regular or irregular. Now, it also depends on whether the word is masculine or feminine. Masculine words, most of the times, I would say maybe 90% of the times, will have irregular plurals. So definitely memorize their plurals. Now, feminine words, on the other hand, I would say maybe 90% of the times or most of the times they will have regular plurals. For example, هيدي كباية. This is a cup. هيدي كباية. It's a feminine word. It has a te marbuta. Now, how do we form regular plurals? We add alif, ta at the end of the word. But of course, we have to drop the te marbuta, the e sound in this case. So it's not going to be كباية it. No, it will be immediately كبايات. كبايات. It has a regular plural. So جمع كباية كبايات. جمع with a عين. جمع means plural, by the way. So I'm saying the plural of cup is cups. جمع كباية كبايات. Now, this word, النينة, is also feminine. النينة. It has a te marbuta. But the plural of النينة is not النينات. It's not regular, even if it's a feminine word. It has an irregular plural. So, جمع النينة أنانة. So, the singular is النينة with a E. النينة. The plural is أنانة with a A. أنانة. أنانة. So, جمع النينة أنانة. So you see, it's an irregular plural. So you better memorize it from the start. Now, when it comes to the word ألم, it's a masculine word. ألم. In the plural, it's not ألمات. It's irregular. جمع ألم لام. It's a one-syllable word that starts with a لام. It's not a لام. You have to be also able to say it with one clap. لام. لام. So, جمع ألم لام. The plural of pen is pens. So the point of this video is to tell you that from the start, when you're learning Arabic, always learn your words both in the singular form and in the plural form.